Yo, what is good, guys and girls and gentlemen's? We got some new rims for the Z, and the ones that you guys are looking at right now are the 10.5s. Yep, they look pretty good. But these are the 10.5s plus 24. So these are gonna be in the fronts. Yeah, I know what you guys are saying. 10.5s in the front. What the hell, Ekin? What are you doing? But we got 11s in the rear. It's gonna be a really aggressive fit. I think it will be good. I mean, I test fitted these 10.5s in the front, and they look pretty good already. But we're gonna get some meaty boys on these, and then we're gonna get some meaty girls on the bottoms on the 11s. Put them on, and hopefully they fit pretty good. I don't want to run any spacers. That is the reason why I went really wide. But yeah, I've been wanting to get like a little bit of poke out of my wheels, but I didn't want to like put spacers on. So I was like, you know what? Let's switch it up a little bit. And we're sticking with the same brand because I love Konig. Props to you, Konig. Please sponsor me. But yeah, these are gonna be the Ultragrams. They're alright. I like the style. I like the slim spokes. That's just me though. Everyone has their own opinion. But yeah, I've seen people run TEs with plus 15 offset in the front, 10.5s, and they fit fine. So hopefully these plus 24s, 10.5s fit fine in the front too as well. And the 11s in the rear. Usually people run like 10.5s with like spacers in the rear. I was like, you know what? Let's just go 11s because I don't want to run spacers like what I said. It's gonna be pretty exciting. Pretty stoked, and then I'll let y'all know what happens next. We just need to get some tires for these, and it should be good. I mean, yeah, that should be it. Yo guys, what is up? We just got our new tires in. This is the fronts that we're gonna be rocking the 275 4018s. Pretends Sport Bridgestones. And the reason why I didn't wanna run the same pair, or the reason why I didn't run the same pair, is because there was no other size that were a good deal for these tires right here. So it was either I run a squared setup 275/40, or I opt for a different tire. So this is what I got for my rears. This is the 295 40s by 18, and I mean, not by 18, but 18 diameter. These are the Falcon Zennies RT 615K Plus, and I heard a lot of good reviews about this tire in particular. They have a decent tread life, people said, and their grip is pretty good. So especially for the rear, I need something that's grippier, and these are more focused on like spirited driving, and these are more like summer tires. This package was a really good deal. I think I got it for like only 600, brand new, from Tire Rack, with coverage and everything. After tax, I spent like about 700, but yeah, 700 for a set of tires that are really good and got good reputation. That's a pretty good deal for me, and I'll take anything that is more affordable than spending like $2,000 on a set of tires. So yeah, 700 for this, pretty good. Let's compare it. Dude, this shit is it's pretty close.
Oh, that one's big as
It's a
fuck.
little wider.
Yeah.
This is wider.
Oh, it's gonna clear it.
Oh shit! Dude, that shit clears though perfectly. Check it out.
Oh yeah.
Damn, mints.
That means you go lower, dude.
No, hell no. That's the lowest I'm gonna go. Fuck that.
I wanna bump the beat that goes hard.
Some meaty ass tires. Those are meaty.
They're the same as that one though.
About right.
Yeah.
But who knows? Because this is only half the difference, half an inch difference.
Keep going. I think you're good.
Dude, the camera is perfect. Look at that. That's perfect. That's flush. Wait, that's flush. Now the front looks funny.
Now the front looks funny.
No, not really.
No, it's nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
Dude, that one is a little polka too.
Yeah. It's like it's very minimal, but it's so aggressive now.
Why does the rim on the front look bigger than the back?